I'm extremely curious and interested in what a client wants to achieve, and I want to know how we can help them reach their goals.
So Kit and I work together at Universum, which is a Swedish employer branding company.
Yeah, so I've recently joined a market intelligence firm, so I'm fortunate to have an immediate small team, but I'm also part of a wider team that has these fantastic people that know so much about what they do.
Well, you grew up in a lot of different places. What kind of challenges and opportunities have you found through that experience?
I'm originally from Malaysia, but I left when I was 10, grew up in Hong Kong and spent time in the US, spent time in China, now in Singapore, and a few different places in between. Challenges are the day-to-day things. Culture shock, language in China was a big thing. Cultural nuances, whether it's on meeting people in a non-work environment or doing business in China, which is totally different from anything that I've done. But the opportunities lie within those challenges. To really understand how to navigate ambiguity and how you need to adapt to these situations. I think the key turning point for me was when I left Shanghai when I was in a recruitment sales role. The environment in recruitment is quite sales heavy, quite intense, quite transactional in a way. And moving to Universum, it was much more solutions heavy, a lot more consultative. And that really got me thinking in a totally different way, not just sales numbers, but really what is a client relationship, how do we define that, and from there grow the business and think a little bit more strategically that way.
What is it about helping your customers that motivates you?
At the core of it, I think it's a bit of curiosity, having a personal curiosity of how me as a person can help someone else and why they're doing what they're doing, just to satisfy my own knowledge and curiosity from that standpoint. What I've realized is that I am extremely passionate about helping others. I'm extremely curious and interested in what a client wants to achieve, and I want to know how we can help them reach their goals. I think that's really the ethos of my entire career. What I've come to realize is that does get me up in the morning. Having that client solution sort of mindset is something that's quite near and dear to me. And also, obviously, taking that mindset and helping the people around me. Understanding what part I play in helping them achieve either their personal goals or their professional goals. It might sound a bit fluffy, but I feel that that's quite important.